Welcome back, friends. It's Mr. L. Today we're going to do a character named Cheese Guy, or the King of Cheese. So let's go. We're going to make 2 ovals in this area. And another one right next to it. It's okay if yours are not the same size. The goofier, the better. All right. We're going to make Cheese Guy look in a certain direction. So I'm going to put an eye here and a curve here. Maybe a little circle there. Darken it in. We have a lot of different ways to do eyes. All right. Now I'm going to switch over to my large Sharpie for a little while. I'm going to make a triangle type shape, but first we're going to make a curve, come down, and looks like it comes out on that side there, okay? So it's not much of a curve, just a little bit. All right, we're going to make a long line go across the paper. All right, just like that. And then connect to the top line. So it looks like a pizza slice right now. It dips down a little bit, that's okay. I'm going to put an edge over here. The little curve that comes in and go down again. And we're going to put an edge that's like this over here. All right, so we're going to connect these 2 areas, okay? Maybe we'll put a short line down just a little bit. Makes it easier to connect. Go across. All right, and it's perfectly fine if your line is bumpy. It's a piece of cheese, a slice of cheese. No biggie there, it's food, and food many times, or most of the time, is bumpy. Okay, Cheese Guy is going to have a smile somewhere. So let's see. I think it would be interesting to have a smile right over here. All right, we'll give him a little curve on the end. And let's see, maybe we'll just give a big curve right here. All right. Now, Cheese Guy's a piece of Swiss cheese, and I like that because I could put holes in it. So let's make some holes here and there. Different size holes for a Swiss cheese. He's a Swiss cheese guy. That could be like a nose hole. All right. You choose how many holes you want to do. It's up to you. And we'll put holes on the side here too. Again, it's up to you how many, big or small. Just put a bunch of holes. Okay, there's Cheese Guy right now. Later we're going to darken these holes, okay? When we do some hyperspace, hyperdrive color type thing. So Cheese Guy thinks he's the big cheese. He's the big shot, so let's give him a crown. And I'm going to switch it over to a different Sharpie. I'm going to put this floating right over his eye. I don't know why it's floating, it just is. And we're going to go down and up and down and swing it out this way with a curve and put a nice circle type shape at the end of each one. And maybe we'll put some oval jewels here. Cheese Guy is really fancy. Awesome. All right. And if you want Cheese Guy to be Cheese Girl, well, we can do that. You just add some eyelashes. Just like that. And it is Cheese Girl. Okay? That's up to you. Okay. Looks like Cheese Guy's mouth is open a little bit. Make it a little bit more open. All right. Maybe Cheese Guy or Cheese Girl is hungry for some cheese. I don't know, it'd be weird. All right, we're going to switch over to the big Sharpie again and make some arms for Cheese Guy. Let's see, Cheese Guy is feeling strong. So we're going to make this arm come out with a thick line and do a little bump here. Maybe Cheese Guy's flexing a muscle, I don't know. Crazy Cheese Guy. The big cheese. The cheese-a-rooney. Cheese Girl. And we'll make, let's see, a fist over here. That type of line hooking in. And we'll just kind of make that sort of line there and bring it in right there. Cheese Girl, all right. So now that we have a nice muscle going on, we can move on to the other arm. All right. Maybe it comes out from a hole. Over here, we're going to do another arm. Let's see. Maybe this one will be kind of sticking out from here and coming in. But this one will be sort of bumping in to the cheese right there. So it'll be sort of like fist on the hip sort of thing. All right. Okay, let's do some legs. All right. How do we do these legs? Let's see. Just going to put one, maybe one coming out of this thing right here. A thick line there. Oval that wraps around. I like to keep my shoes simple. And let's see. Maybe another one that bends coming out of here. All right. Using some pretty thick lines here for Cheese Girl, Cheese Guy. Okay. So it sort of looks like Cheese Girl is on the move. And we'll do some cool things floating around the background. I don't know. Maybe Cheese Girl just threw out some cheese doodles. And there's some funny cheese doodles all over the place. Kind of crinkly line. Make them blast off. And there are just cheese doodles everywhere. Okay. The king or queen of cheese has spoken. All right, guys, get ready to drum roll, please. Hyperdrive color.